Hi friends. So in this video, let's see about the Power Apps application in Microsoft 365. So this Power Apps is mainly used for building mobile applications with low code knowledge. Okay, you can build the mobile application without any coding knowledge. So without any further delay, let's go to our website office.com. So in this here, many apps will be provided, many applications will be provided. From those, you can see here Power Apps has been listed here. If you don't find the Power Apps here, then go to All Apps, search for Power Apps. Okay, so your Power Apps is here. So click on that, and you can create a new app. So you can either start from the data that is being provided by you in your other applications like SharePoint, Excel sheet, or SQL Server, or you can create from make your own app from scratch. It is by using Canvas app from blank. I'm going to create my app. Let me give the name of my app as education. I think it's already being used. No. So let's wait for some time. This app is getting loaded. Okay. So you see, this is the home screen of the application. From here only you're going to build your application. So this is the screen 1. Okay, see, screen 1 has been listed here. So you can either duplicate screen. By duplicating screen, what it happens is a new screen will be provided with 1_1. And you can delete this screen or rename or do anything. I'm going to delete. I don't need that screen now. So in this, to insert components, you must go to insert. Okay, here you have many things. So first I'm going to get an input from the user. So I'm going to click on input. Since it is a text input, I'm going to use text input. So to here you will be having enter. Since this is an education application, I'm going to first get the name. Okay, so enter your name of the applicant or name of the student. So here, since it is enter the name, it must not be that blank as this. So I'm going to give a label for my text field. Here I'm going to give student name. Okay, done. Now this has been aligned. Next, after giving student name, I'm going to have a drop down box to select the department of the student. Okay, so to give the drop down, you are going to use this brackets. Okay, here I'm going to give first what department is E, CSE or IT or ECE, or if he is EEE, else if in case if he is MEC. Okay, so these are the options I'm giving for him. Next, the label for this, I'm going to give department. So the department you can choose from here. Okay, so this is the application, and to display what are the name the user gives, to display that name in your screen, let me choose label. Let me fix it here. So here for this label, clicking on this label, for that label you must give a formula. Text input 1.text. Okay, by giving this text input 1.text, what it happens is whatever the name you give here, okay, it will be displayed in this side. And for department, for choosing department also, if I have to give the side-wise name, then place your label here, create a label, place it here, and I'm sorry. After doing this, since this is the drop-down option, click on this label, write the formula, drop-down 1.text. selected text dot value. Okay, so if we give this, what are the things that is being selected here, it will be displayed here. So to run this application, click on the run icon here, or you can press F5. So you see, now I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to replace this with Jay. So it has been displayed here, you can see here. If I change it to Wished, then it is also displayed here. If I choose IT, it is displayed here. ECE, it is displayed here. So likewise, you can create your application. So let's see some more components to get added to our application. Next component, let's see in input. So let's see pen input drop down. Let's go for that later. Drop down we have seen. So let's see combo. So what is the difference between combo and drop down is, in drop down you can select only one component, only one option at a time, while in combo box you can select multiple options at a time. So for filling this also you must give, for example, let me tell the students interested subject. Okay, so let's give first physics, math, AI, data analytics. Okay, these are the application. These are the subjects I'm giving you. So let us add the label for that. Interest. Okay, done. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to display what are the interest of the students, what are the items he is selecting to be displayed here in the site. So add label for that. Drag your label here. So for this, what you have to do is, since this is a combo box, see it is on selecting, you can see what box is that. On selecting this, you can see it is a combo box. Go to label, give formula combo box dot accessible labels. You can't give selected items here because it is not selecting one particular item at a time. In combo box, you can select multiple items at a time. So you must give accessible label. Okay. So next let's see some other inputs. Let's take list box. Okay. So in list, so let me place my list box here. And it can be let's provide the current semester subjects. What are the current semester subjects he's having? He can list it here. So let me give in short form: computer science CS, AI, for data analytics, data structures, math, cloud computing. Okay, this is the list I'm having here. See, automatically when you're adding, if your list is of enough size, you don't get the scroll bar here. If it is not of enough size and if it is hiding any of the other options, then you will get a scroll bar here. Okay, so this is how it can be done. And let me have a label to this. So current subjects. Okay. Then, so to provide these details in this site, you must have a label. Drop it here, and give, since it is a list box, type list box 1 dot accessible items, because list box is also as same as the combo box. You can select multiple options here. So after doing this, run your app. See, now when I change this text, so RIA is getting published here, listed here. And if I choose a department, it gets changed. Area of interest, I'm going to select math, AI, data analytics. Since it is not displayed, let me choose. Here also it is not displayed. So let us see what is the problem occurred there. Yes. So here we gave formula like combo box dot accessible labels, right? So since we are selecting multiple label, we should change our formula to. Let me first type out the full formula and then explain you the things. Okay. So you see, for this combo box label, I gave this formula. So this formula is what it happens is the left variable argument left function takes two arguments. One is concatenation of the selected items of combo box with value. Selected items of combo box will be given to value and concatenated with comma symbol. Okay, and you will be having length of concatenation of combo box with comma symbol -1. This will be your second argument of the left function. So the same thing here, it is combo box, so we are using combo box 1 name here. So same thing will be done for list also. So since it is list box 1, we are going to give the name as list box 1 here. You're going to just change the combo box 1 to list box 1. So what it happens is, why we are giving left is, first for the first one, since we are selecting many options here, if we select only the math, then comma should not be given there. Okay, so that only we are giving two arguments and -1. Okay, so for the first option you are selecting, comma will not be listed. Likewise, it goes on. So let us run this. Now let us select it. See, first I'm unselecting everything, so it is not, anything is not listed here. When I select physics is listed, then comma with max, then comma with AI, comma with analytics. Next, initially I'm not selecting anything. When I select cloud, then comma math, comma DS, comma DA, AI, CS. Okay, this is how your list and combo box works with the label. So we have seen some of the components. In the next video, let's see the rest of the components. Thank you, friends.